Good morning, Ava. What are we going to make today?
Today we're going to be making gingerbread men, but we're going to use a heart cutout instead because we can't find the gingerbread men cutouts.
That's it. Okay, so we're going to tell you the ingredients and Ava's going to mix it together, and then we'll have to do a part 2 then of how we roll them out and do them. So first of all, in Ava's bowl, she's got 350 grams of plain flour, and she's also got a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. We should have said actually she's washed her hands beforehand. She's got nice clean hands. Make sure you do that, and make sure you're not touching your face or your hair or anything else while you're doing this exercise. So can you now, Ava, put in 2 teaspoons of ground ginger and a teaspoon of cinnamon.
That's the wrong way around.
So 2 teaspoons of ground ginger.
Should it be level?
No, that looks about okay. And a teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay, and then she's going to add the butter, which we've already weighed out, and that's 125 grams of butter. So she's going to put that in, and then she's going to use the tips of her fingers to do the rubbing. Don't touch your hair. To do the rubbing method. Right, go on. Until it then looks like breadcrumbs.
This is the hard part.
Well, you have to rub your fingers together, remember?
I am. Sorry.
And you have to do this very quickly as well, because otherwise it gets very warm and it all starts to clump together.
I was never good at this bit.
Okay, how's that looking now? Come on, a little bit quicker. Mix in the flour and the butter very quickly.
No,
I find a good tip to do this is to have your hands nice and cold. I usually run my hands under the cold water tap before I do this exercise. Don't try and get it off your fingers, just do it very, very quickly. And then the next thing, when you've got that, Ava's not going to have it absolutely right. Otherwise we'd be here forever. But you've got the general idea. You mix it all together until it looks like breadcrumbs. Then she's going to put in the sugar. And we've got 125 grams of brown demerara sugar. Can you put in the sugar, Ava?
Yes, can you? There we go.
Put in the sugar. Doesn't matter about your fingers. I'm just going to mix the sugar in with it.
With my fingers?
Yeah.
You have to break off the clumps now. It's hard sugar.
And now what she's going to do is beat 1 egg and measure out 4 tablespoons of golden syrup.
Oh, they're like rocks.
So can you do that?
Yeah, the sugar's like rocks. No. My hands are going to be so dirty after this.
Okay. And 4 tablespoons of golden syrup.
Yeah, I remember this from when we were little. It doesn't come out quick enough.
It doesn't come out very easily, no. Okay, and then what we're going to do, we're going to mix that all together in the bowl, and probably what video is doing all this, but you're going to add it to the mix, and we're going to knead it until it's smooth. And then what you need to do is wrap it in cling film and leave it to chill in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then when that's happened, we'll come back and we'll show you how to roll it out and make your shapes, okay? All right, Ava, so see you soon.